iPhone 16 Pro Bluetooth driving you crazy? Let's fix that. First up, reboot your device. Sometimes a simple restart can do wonders. If it's stuck, force it by pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally, hold the power button until it shuts off. Next, check your Bluetooth accessory. Make sure it's on, fully charged, and close to your iPhone. If it uses batteries, see if they need replacing. Also, check your audio output settings. Open the control center, tap the audio output icon, and make sure your Bluetooth headphones are selected. Is your battery low? A low battery can cause unstable connections and frequent interruptions, so keep it charged. Try turning on airplane mode. This can help reduce audio interference between your iPhone and the accessory. Lastly, reorient your devices. Moving your iPhone and the accessory to a different location can sometimes make a big difference. Give these tips a try and enjoy seamless Bluetooth on your iPhone 16